Glitching AI dropshipping review. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's explore glitching AI. So it is a platform where you can automate your dropshipping experience, and it improves the dropshipping, and not only dropshipping but it also helps you with product selection and also marketing strategies. So this way it is a great platform to utilize for your advantages and get the edge over your competitors. Now in this video we will discuss the pros and cons of glitching AI, and let's first discuss the pros. So the biggest pro of this particular platform the biggest pro for this particular platform is that it provides 7-day free trial. So in case if you don't like it, you can cancel it up at any time within the 7 days period. So this way you would be able to test it up and check out whether it is useful for you or not. And the second pro is that you get to put less efforts when AI is there to help you out. You can delegate your work and your headaches to AI, and you would be able to leverage the time saved on some other activities of your choice, and this way you get to put less efforts. And another pro is that it helps you with the product selection and all the other things, because it analyzes the data of the browsing and purchasing history of the customers, and this way it shows the actual products that the customer might require, and this way you can get benefited by it due to its analytical abilities. And another pro is that the support is there 24/7 with you, as a virtual assistant is also there, and this way in case if you get stuck somewhere and you want to get the help, then there is virtual assistant for you in order to help you out. So you won't be feel left out after getting the subscription for glitching AI, or when you don't know something about this, and you can get your questions answered by the assistant. Now let's discuss the cons of this particular platform. And the biggest con is that it is highly priced for some users. If you are starting out like new, and initially we don't have that much of a capital with us, and we can't pay the monthly payments or the yearly payments straight away when the bill is recurring, so it's hard to pay out the good amount of money in the beginning, and in that way then it might be a little costly for some of the people out there. And so you can just simply check it out whether it is up to your needs and requirements or not. And another con is that according to some people, the product selection by this particular AI is not up to the mark, as sometimes it suggests you the products which are not at all fit for your needs and requirements, and this way it defeats the purpose of selecting the product. So this way it takes one of the pro with itself, like this platform claims that it would be helping you out with product selection, and if this platform selects a bad product, then what's the point of that particular feature if it is not even performing that well. But currently this is the beginning, and it is not happening with all the people out there, and it might be working out quite well with you. So you need to just simply try it out, and there is a 7-day free trial. You can just go there and test it out according to your needs and preferences, and this way you would be able to understand it in a better way. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.